Today, we've got some electrifying news about Ripple XRP that you won't want to miss. From the latest SEC legal battles to groundbreaking new partnerships, Ripple is making waves. How will these developments impact the Ripple XRP price and the future of XRP? Well, stick around as we dive deep into the most important updates that you need to know about. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Ripple's ongoing legal saga with the SEC. Ripple recently cited SEC's inconsistency in their latest legal filing. What does this mean for Ripple XRP and its future? Ripple has been locked in a legal battle with the SEC, and the stakes are high. In their latest filing, Ripple has accused the SEC of inconsistency in their regulatory approach. This move could potentially weaken the SEC's case and bring some relief to Ripple XRP. The outcome of this case is crucial, as it could set a precedent for the entire crypto industry. A favorable ruling for Ripple could lead to a significant spike in Ripple XRP price and a more bullish outlook for the XRP price prediction. So how might this play out? But wait, there's more. Ripple's CEO has recently named the most important date for XRP holders. This date could be a game changer. Curious about what it is? Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple's CEO, has identified a pivotal date for XRP holders, the date of the court ruling in the SEC case. This date could mark a turning point for Ripple XRP. A positive outcome could propel the Ripple XRP price to new heights and significantly impact the XRP price prediction. This ruling is not just about Ripple, but about the future of crypto regulation in the US. So mark your calendars and stay tuned to Ripple News Today for updates on this crucial event. Mark your calendars for September 21st. And just when you thought things can't get more intriguing, Ripple's CTO has puzzled the XRP army with an X post. What does this cryptic message mean for Ripple XRP? David Schwartz, Ripple's CTO, recently posted a message on X, leaving the XRP army speculating about its meaning. While the details are still unclear, such posts often hint at significant upcoming announcements or developments within Ripple. This has fueled speculation about the new features, partnerships, or technological advancements that could impact Ripple XRP's price and XRP price prediction. Stay tuned to Ripple Update and XRP News Today for the latest developments. Next, let's talk about Ripple's latest foray into the hottest crypto sector with a major new partnership. How will this strategic move shape the future of Ripple crypto? Ripple has officially entered one of the hottest sectors in the crypto world with a groundbreaking new partnership with Archax, the UK's regulated digital asset exchange, to enhance the functionality of its blockchain. The collaboration will focus on the tokenization of real-world assets, RWAs, with plans to bring significant capital to the XRP ledger, XRPL, over the next year. This move is expected to enhance Ripple's blockchain capabilities and expand its market reach. Such strategic alliances can drive significant growth in Ripple XRP price and influence the XRP price target. By partnering with key players in the industry, Ripple is positioning itself at the forefront of blockchain innovation. The partnership could also attract new investors and boost the overall sentiment around Ripple XRP news today. Ripple isn't stopping there. The company has revealed the ticker for their upcoming stablecoin and achieved recent milestones that have everyone talking. What does this mean for the crypto Ripple ecosystem? Ripple has announced the ticker for their upcoming stablecoin, RLUSD, adding another layer of functionality to their ecosystem. This stablecoin is expected to provide more stability and expand the use cases for Ripple XRP. Additionally, Ripple has reached several significant milestones, further solidifying its position in the crypto market. These developments are likely to positively impact Ripple XRP's price prediction and attract more interest in Ripple Coin. With these advancements, Ripple continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the crypto space. Ripple XRP is at a crucial juncture with numerous exciting developments on the horizon, from legal battles and crucial dates to new partnerships and technological advancements. Ripple is making significant strides. These updates are likely to influence Ripple XRP price and XRP price prediction positively. Stay tuned to Ripple News Today and Crypto News Today for all the latest updates. Okay guys, let's jump down to the charts and review the XRP technical analysis, where I'll share my short to medium term XRP price prediction. Okay guys, here we have XRP paired up with USDT. We're on the 1-day Binance chart, and yeah, we can see we've had a little bit of slippage to the downside most recently, right? Obviously, we still have our strong low sitting at 41.88 cents, but we did most recently wick down to 45.08. Okay, this obviously has broken the trend line, and we are now obviously looking at new lower lows for XRP. Let me show you what that looks like just here on the chart. I'm just going to draw this in just roughly to give you a bit of an idea as to kind of where we are currently tracking here for XRP. Now, obviously, this does have a profound effect because we can see that we also have lower highs up here as well. Okay, so we have the lower highs, the lower lows, and this is actually a reasonably positive position to be in on the slightly longer term, but on the medium term, we should expect more volatility for XRP. But this isn't actually necessarily a bad thing. Okay, taking a look at our structures here, we can see that we have moved down into a range that is pretty deep, and it still looks like it has a little bit more slippage to the downside before we get into that next kind of major run upwards. But the positive news is that we have an overlapping candlestick structure, and that indicates short-term corrections, which basically means that this is not a trend to the downside. We're not going to be going down in a major slippage way or anything like that. There should be a rebound, and of course, depending on how that rebound, that relief rally goes, will dictate the next big move for XRP. So let's go ahead and break this down in a little bit more detail. We can see that we had this slippage here, and we can move back down, and we do have a bit of an impulsive 5-wave move right inside here. But this is an interesting wick that we have to kind of consider with what is going on most recently. If we take a look at the stochastic RSI, you can see that we've got loads of upward momentum available to us. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to move all the way up to the overbought area. As we can see historically on the 6th of June, we got a rejection and reversal on the stochastic RSI. In relation to that, it also came in line with the 50-day exponential moving averages. So we do know that we are lower than the 200-day EMA, lower than the 50-day EMA, lower than the 50 SMA, the simple moving average. And so we are in bearish positions from that kind of perspective. But with the overlapping nature of the candlesticks, so the fact that we are oversold on many of these timeframes, we should be thinking about a relief rally. Now, the major resistances are going to be those 50 EMA, the 50 SMA, and of course the 200 EMA. We're going to have to kind of rally above those if we want to get some confidence back in the market. A relief rally could take us up to our 200 EMA, find rejection, and then we continue the slippage to the downside. But a relief rally, I do think, is something that we should be expecting in the market. Now, for the most part, we are still expecting a Federal Reserve pivot, i.e. interest rate cuts. That is going to create a lot of damage in the market, stock market specifically, but obviously the crypto market will be affected by that as well, where we see a lot of selling pressure. This typically happens because there's a lot of liquidity-based issues. A lot of people are having lifestyles that they cannot afford, so they basically look to extract money from the market. And as the market starts to turn negatively when interest rates are cut, which actually is a big positive, you'll tend to find that there'll be a lot more panic selling as people see their portfolios dwindling down. Now, historically, a Federal Reserve interest rate cut has led to a stock market correction of around 50%, which then obviously has a profound effect on the crypto market. The good news is it is very short-lived. Now, I'm mentioning this today because obviously there was lots of speculation around whether or not we were going to see a Federal Reserve pivot in June, which we have not. The next earliest point would be July, and I do expect it to be some point in Q3. So we are, of course, talking somewhere between July, August, September that we're going to see this interest rate cut. So I'm expecting a big collapse in the market, but I don't think it's going to happen right away. I expect a relief rally, then we'll see a Federal Reserve cut. We'll see great value in the price of XRP, and it's a last opportunity to dollar cost average, in my opinion. If I zoom out of this just a bit further, you can see on a grander scale just how this is actually forming out. We've got these great kind of ranging market going on here, although we do have, depending on the time frame that you're looking at, lower lows and lower highs. We had the great run to the upside where we did hit 75 cent. If we zoom out even further, we can see that we actually hit that high of 93.8, which is a really great expected range that we were targeting out way back here. Okay, so we hit this range, and this collapse here could be taking us down a little bit deeper. Now, obviously, on the real bearish side, we're talking about 28 to 33 cent. Okay, no guarantees, but during a Federal Reserve pivot, that is not off the table. Okay, you could wick down there very quickly and then rally right the way back up again. So it's always an idea to keep a close eye on these kind of target ranges. I think for the most part, though, it's probably better to be thinking somewhere in this little yellow box area, which is between 33 cent and 46 cent. This area, obviously, what we've come into a couple of times and reversed from, is the area of immense interest in my personal opinion. But I cannot rule out those bearish situations because we take a look at this on a bigger macro scale and we can see this run to the downside. Now, all that news that I was talking about earlier, the new partnerships, the developments of stablecoins and all of these things that are going on could prevent such a bearish move in the market. But I want to kind of put it out there as a possibility. We cannot kind of rule it out, even though we don't want it to happen. All the fantastic news in the world doesn't always translate across into positive price action. So knowing that we do have bearish patterns forming here, although they are short-lived, I think, by, Q3, early Q4, we should actually be done with the correction and start thinking about that rally to the upside where we get into those really good kind of price appreciations. And of course, with everything going on with the SEC and Ripple, all of this could come inside together, specifically around September, maybe as we kind of go into Q4, that we actually start to see a fantastic run for XRP. But for now, I expect volatility, a bit of a brief rally to the upside where we kind of target out that kind of 55 cent 200-day EMA, and then more rejection to the downside where we are looking at basically anything under 46 cent as being a great opportunity for dollar cost averaging. You can let me know what your thoughts are on all of this in the comments down below. Do you agree? Do you disagree? And if you have found today's video useful, smash that like button. If you're new, subscribe. And if you haven't checked this video out, what are you doing? Stay up to date with everything crypto by checking out this video right here.